In a world that more connected than ever, why are our finances still stuck behind borders? You hold digital assets, but can you use them for daily digital life? You want to shop globally, subscribe to services, or book a trip, but your local card get rejected. There has to be a better way. There is. It's time to bridge the gap between the crypto and global commerce instantly. Forget lengthy bank applications and waiting for days. With PST.net, you can get your own prepaid dollar card in the time it takes to watch this intro. Yeah, let's do it right now. Sign up and make your first deposit, and right from your dashboard, you issue your card. That's it. The entire process takes less than a minute. Yeah, you now have a powerful prepaid Visa or Master denominated in US dollars, ready to be used for payments anywhere in the world they are accepted. So, how do you fund your new dollar card? This is where PST.net changes the game. You don't need a traditional bank account. You can top up your card directly with cryptocurrencies. Simply send crypto like Bitcoin or USDT to your PST.net account. The funds are credited instantly and are immediately available as a US dollar on your card. No waiting, no complex conversions. It transforms your digital asset into a practical spending tool. Right when you need it, let's break down exactly what this card offers to you. With your crypto funded dollar card, a world of payment opens up. This isn't just a card for many, it's a financial passport to the global digital economy. Let's see it in actions. Pay for products on global marketplaces like AliExpress and eBay without a single issue. Manage all your digital subscriptions from entertainment like Spotify to gaming on Steam. Our professional tools from Adobe needs more flexibility. Link your PST.net card directly to your PayPal account and use it as your primary payment sources for an extra layers of convenience. Planning a trip, book your hotels and airlines tickets anywhere in the world. Your PST.net card is global travel companion. It is designed for any services and purchase worldwide. PST.net is more than just a card, it's a complete toolkit designed to eliminate frictions from your online payments. First, there's the PST.net mobile app. Check your balance, view your detailed transactions history, and manage your card from anywhere, right on your phone. Next, for your desktop, there's the Cardholder browser extension. It keeps your card securely at your fingertips. No more manually typing numbers, just one click to fill payments field. It even delivers your 3D secured confirmation code directly to your browser for ultimate convenience and security. Yeah, and for advanced users, PST.net offers the PST Plus Bin Checker. This powerful free tools lets you verify card details, helping you understand payment routing and identify key information about any card issuing bank and country. PST.net is built for a global community, and that means being accessible to everyone. The website and the personal accounts are available in multiple languages, so you can manage your finances in the language you are most comfortable with. And PST.net loves to give back to its community. Every single week, the service holds a $100 giveaways. To participate, make sure you follow their official channels on Twitter and Telegram for all the details. The link are in descriptions below, and take your card. PST.net believe in transparency. The pricing is simple and straightforward. With a monthly fees just $7 after your first month and zero fees on your transaction or withdrawals, and your security is paramount. With full 3D secure support and industry-leading identity verifications and AML compliances protocols, you can pay with confidence. As a responsible financial service, the card is not intended for certain restricted merchants, category like gambling or money transfers, ensuring a secure, compliant payment environment for everyone. This transparency is a cornerstone of the service's reliability. So, there you have it, a prepaid dollar Visa or MasterCard obtained in minutes, funded by your crypto and accepted for virtually any purchase around the globe. It's the modern payment solutions for a borderless world. Are you ready to unlock your global spending power? So click the link in the descriptions or pinned comment below to get your PST.net virtual prepaid card right now. And thanks for watching. If you like our video, hit subscribe button